Hi guys, because today is Saturday, we are going to the market, making a list sa mga bibilhin para makapag-budget. Yan, pababa na tayo. Tadang! Yan, going outside kasi naghihintay na ang aking Grab driver. Hi kuya!
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So according to my budget today, I only need to spend 500,000 Vietnam dong, or in Philippine money, it is equivalent to 1,000 plus. Yun yung budget ko. But I don't know how much exactly in Philippine money, but in Vietnam dong, that is 500,000. Yan lang yung budget ko na dapat igasto today. So we'll see about the prices and hoping that lahat ng mga nakalista ay nandun sa store. Ito pala yung way, guys. This is the way, yung alley from my place to the store. It's not the main road yet. Kasi si Kuya parang nag-shortcut siya. Hindi siya dumaan dun sa talaga, sa karsada. And I just realized mali yung na-book kong address. My address na binigay o nilagay dun sa pag-book ko ng Grab is different store. So, it means to say na ako, nagkamali ng booking. But it's okay kasi it's still a store. It's still a market. I can still buy what I need for this week. So here na tayo, almost in the big road. Ito yung mga bahay nila sa Vietnam, guys. It's like yung mga bahay nila ba sa baba, yung gawa nilang business nila, nagtitinda sila. It's amazing. Amazing talaga. So we are here now in the big road, main road. Wow. Hindi traffic ngayon because it's 10:30 in the morning. So tapos na yung rush hour. The weather now is sunny. Pero kanina lang it rained. So praise God kasi it's sunny today. It's sunny this time. Beside us, dito sa Vietnam, the main main source of transport, yung mga nagko-commute, is always Grab. Always Grab. Although they have public bus and taxis. Pero usually, yung Grab bike talaga. They also have e-bikes. Usually, e-bikes, nagbubook ako ng e-bikes kasi the drivers are more careful. But now, I go Grab. So here we are, guys. Bili na tayo. Una-una, bread. Wow. Bread is life. Eggs. Kuha ko ng eggs. Yung 6 pieces lang kasi only me. I will just get 6 para always fresh. Punta tayo sa vegetables section. I like the broccoli. So, kuha tayo ng broccoli. Hindi na siya fresh. Walang iba. Kung walang iba, kukunin ko to. Guys, naka-yellow tag sila. Wow, discounted. Yay! Yellow tags means discounted prices, promos, cucumber. I like this one, the small one. Mas madali siyang papakin. But, it's too many. Ang dami niya. Mag-isa ako. Baka masira. So, I decided na yung dalawang peraso na lang. 2 pieces. So that I can eat it this week and hindi siya masisira. Punta tayo sa prutas. Fruits. We have apples, pears, oranges. But, oh, katabi din yung mga ibang goods nila. Oh, naka-yellow tags din yung mga fruits. I'm gonna buy grapes today. Grapes and apples. So, katabi, beside the fruits, may mga tofus, tsaka yung mga chalua. They have this, mga Vietnamese style na mga preserved foods. They also have hot dogs, bacons, dito tayo. Today, I listed fish and chicken. I want to buy chicken and fish. But, oh, I found a better one. Palitan ko yung isang nakuha ko. Kasi mas fresh yung isa. So, they don't have the fish na I want. Wala sila dito. Wala silang stock. So, hindi na lang ako bibili ng fish. Tsaka yung chicken, gusto ko sana yung breast part. But they don't have it. Yung available lang nila is other parts. So, I decided na lang na I will buy chicken wings. Chicken wings. Gusto ko yung chicken wings na i-fry. Gusto ko sana yung breast part. Lagyan ko ng broccoli. So, ito na yung nabili ko, guys, from my 500,000 VND. Nabili ko lahat. Except the fish. Yes. I bought everything I have on my list. Except lang sa isda. But I bought replacement. So, yung nagasto ko lahat is 497 only. So, it means pumasok siya sa budget. Yay!